Hi, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to all of you. So now we are announcing CMA final regular batch for June 2026 examinations. Again, I am repeating. So we are announcing CMA final regular batch for June 2026 examination. Yes. So you know already. So in our Shikhara tutorials, all classes will be in 100% English only. So this batch classes also will be in 100% English. So if you completed your CMA Inter as well as articleship, definitely if your attempt is June 2026, definitely you can join in this batch. Okay. So what is the starting date of the batch? August 18. So which is Monday. Yes. August 18 onwards, we are starting this batch. So in the month of August, September, October, November, these 4 months, nothing but August we have some days only, the remaining complete 3 months, we will teach group 3 2 subjects, group 4 2 subjects. Yes. So because this batch examinations will be in June 26, so who wants to write their both groups in June 26, this batch is very much suitable for you. Yes. So that is only the reason. First, two subjects in group 3, two subjects in group 4 we are starting. So group 3 subjects DT law, group 4 subjects CFR IDT. So next, December month. Yes. We are starting with the December, next January, February. So in these 3 months duration, we are started the pending subjects in group 3 SFM and SCMDM, and in group 4 cost audit and SPMBV. So at the end of February, you can complete coaching of 8 subjects. Now in March month as well as April, May, March, April, May, these 3 months. So total revision exams as well as study hours. And one more thing, sir, I purchased only DT subjects, sir, can I attend for this revision exam and study hours? No. If any student enrolled for both groups classes with us, so then you can enjoy this facility also at the end of your coaching. So that means February your coaching can be done. In the month of March, April, May, you can join in these revision exam study hours at the zero fees. Now, so during coaching, yes, every Sunday we will conduct the weekend exam up to Saturday completion syllabus. So next, exclusive CMA final materials we will provide. These materials will prepared by our faculties only. Already materials ready. So till examinations, we can give the support. Sir, how you can give the support till the examinations, revision classes? So after completion of regular batch, we will conduct the EVO as well as revision classes. For that also, we can give the assess. Remember, so this revision exam facility and study hours, these revision classes also we can provide if you're enrolled for all subjects. Next, 8th point. So what are the mode of classes, sir? Yes, one face-to-face at our campus you can attend for classes, live plus recorded backup, as well as you can purchase recorded classes at your convenience. Yes, you can read. Next. So most important thing, fees details. Yes, this is only the most important thing. So fees details, yes, always we are giving the fees details including books. Subject wise 8,000, including books, both groups 60,000. Yes, sir. Why you are not given the single group fees? Because we are not yet started the single group. Group 3, 2 subjects, and group 4, 2 subjects. So that's why I'm not given the single group fees. You can purchase subject wise also. Either you can join in both groups also. That is your wish. Next. Sir, this is an final fees. Yes, final fees. But now we are offering with the Independence Day offer Freedom 25 coupon code. You can visit our website. One pop-up message will come. So So 25% discount on all courses. Yes, if you want to join in face to face, yes, this discount will apply. Live also discount will apply. Recorded also discount will apply. Now, so after discount, yes, you need to pay the 6,000 per subject as well as both groups 45,000. Offer valid for lifetime? No. Offer valid till 15th August midnight. Midnight. So if you want to purchase the classes, yes, you can visit the website. Sir, I want to join in face to face. Yes, you can come to our campus and you can pay fees also. Remember, so if you join in this batch before 15th, these fees will be applicable. After 15th, yes, you have to pay these fees for joining in these batches. Next, for purchasing classes, yes, online or recorded, if you want to purchase, yes, you can visit our website www.shikharatutorials.in. And if any details you are required, yes, you can contact with this mobile number 630-990-1213. So these are the details from my side. So remember, if you are serious about the both groups attempting in June 26, this batch is for you only. So why you are saying, sir, this batch for you? The reason, if we want to give the coaching for individual groups, simply we can allocate group 3 ones, group 4 ones, but we are not doing. So if you completed the subjects preparations at once, it will be beneficial. That's why we are allocating group 3, 2 subjects, group 4, 2 subjects. So next after that, group 3, 2 subjects, group 4, 2 subjects. Yes, you can join. And these are the batch details. If you want to get any more details, yes, you can contact with this number. Thank you. Have a nice day.